Okay, this is a bit of a different recipe for me because it started off one thing, but then turned into, well, I'll just throw something together. This is honey garlic chicken and rice. What you see here is about a pound of chicken breast that I've halved and fried up already. And we're just about ready to take this out of the pan and let it rest. Like I said, I just started to go through my pantry and fridge and how can I make a meal out of this? Because I didn't think honey garlic chicken was enough. We'll see what I come up with. All right. Okay. Let's start making the sauce for this. 6 cloves of garlic over a nice low heat. You don't want the garlic to burn. Roasted garlic's delicious. Burnt garlic tastes like shit. Then you want a tablespoon of rice vinegar and a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is to get up all those wonderful little bits and bots on the bottom of the pan, aka we're making liquid flavor here. Liquid flavor. And then you want to add about 1/3 of a cup of honey. I just eyeballed it. But about 1/3 of a cup. And give this a good stir around. Now, through the magic of cooking show editing, our sauce is done and the chicken has been chopped up. And just toss this around to coat. After you've tossed a coat, set aside for a second. Let everything rest again. Okay, basically, I just kind of cheated. I took everything that was in that skillet and put it in a great big pot with 2 packs of rice-a-roni. Hey, like I said, I'm just going to throw this shit together. So that's 2 packs of rice-a-roni and everything we had in the pan. The liquid flavor and the chopped up chicken. Okay, and after you follow the package directions, just put it in a bowl and enjoy. And actually, I will say, this actually did turn out pretty damn good. So this is honey garlic chicken and shit I just threw together. Done.